We're information-based people. That's what growers are. So the more information we can get, the better. And so right from off the start, I was happy about it.
Wisconet is a statewide network of 80 weather and soil environmental monitoring stations. We have coverage about one station in each county. Mesonets and all the wonderful data that they collect benefit pretty much everybody who lives in that state. Farmers are using these data to better manage their crops. It could be more timely planting and harvesting, when to apply fertilizer, when to spread manure, when to look for pest and disease pressure and get out ahead of that.
Wisconet is part of my daily routine. Go to it, check it when I get up. I can see what the temperature is at that. I can look at what temperature is in the bed. I can look at humidity. So there's all kinds of data that I can get right when I get up in the morning.
Really accurate weather data, wind speed, dew point, relative humidity, rainfall, which is important during the growing season. I can check Wisconet remotely anywhere in the world now, so I can be taking my kids to daycare in the morning or at my house doing something else. It makes my life easier.
Since I have a weather station on site here, it can be updated and exactly what's going on here. A better decision can be made just because it's right here and it's up to the minute data. So I go in, there's wisconet.wisc.edu. We can precisely see, based on the weather conditions, what needs to be done and when. When we get to the fall, we got this big, beautiful red apple and there's no bugs in it or the marks on it. You look at the trees, they're just loaded and beautiful apples. Pumpkin patches, we got these 50-pound beautiful orange pumpkins. We did inputs to these things to make them what they are, and that's just as rewarding as the money, really.
The support from the farming community is really overwhelming, not just from they want to host stations, and be a location on their farm. That obviously benefits them directly because then they've got that great information right in their backyard. And as time goes on and we're able to use those data with things like AI and machine learning and develop products that span the whole state, those tools really become even more valuable to us and helping to support what goes on in our state. And agriculture obviously is a really big part of our identity in Wisconsin. We just want to make sure that people understand that once the initial funding is gone, we can't really support the network the way it is right now. If we just talk about agriculture and if that data and those decision support tools went away, our farmers suddenly become less competitive with our neighboring states.
Anybody in the state who's farming and agriculture can access these tools. That's what it was put together for. So if you're not using it, you're going to be left behind, I think, because it's a system that was set up for farmers, for agriculture. Use it, it's there.